Dave. What on earth?
Ha 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 ha.
Oh my God. I can't believe that you had to go and burp right in my face. That was utterly disgusting.
But it was so funny. Ha 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 ha.
No! It was rude and disgusting.
Well, guess what? I don't care. It was funny to me. Ha 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 ha.
I swear. That man is completely insane.
Oh my God. What in the world? Oh come on. Seriously, Dad?
Ha 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 ha. That was so freaking funny. Ha 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 ha.
Oh wow. Real mature, Dad. Real mature. Also, that was very gross. Who even comes up from behind someone and proceeds to burp in their face?
Why me, of course. Come on, you got to admit, that was a little funny.
No, it wasn't. It was very rude, disgusting and immature. Although, I guess it's not really surprising with you, is it? You disgusting man.
Oh, lighten up, you miserable person. Try and have some fun for once in your life.
Well, my idea of fun isn't sneaking up behind people and burping in their faces.
Oh, blah blah blah. You're no fun and you're starting to bore me, so I'm going to go elsewhere. Goodbye.
Seriously, why does my dad have to be an immature idiot?
Ah, what a lovely day it is outside today. I could just sit here all day and look out the window. Oh my God. What on the planet Earth? Oh my God. Seriously, Dad?
Ha 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 ha. That was so funny.
Well, I didn't think it was funny. It was disgusting. Just what in the world is wrong with you, sneaking up behind someone and burping in their face?
Nothing is wrong with me. I just thought it would be a funny thing to do.
Well, I didn't think it was very funny. Also, your breath stinks.
Well, guess what? I don't care. I'm having a lot of fun. Now if you'll excuse me, I'm going to block the toilet.
I swear, my dad gets more and more immature every single day.